What is up, everyone? Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. You know, if you're watching my other videos, you might have seen that in some of those videos on my channel, I've talked about beard balm, beard cream, beard butter. And in this video, I want to talk to you about beard wax. Why? Because I recently bought a product, some beard wax. I think it's going to work. I think it's going to do what it's supposed to do. And I like it, at least so far. And if you have a beard, you might be interested in this beard wax. Stay tuned. In one of my recent videos, I talked about a beard product, as I recall, and mentioned that I was again growing my beard. I grow the beard, I shave it, I grow it. And that was a video talking about a cream that helps with beard itch, I think. In any event, I bought this product and I was going to do a video about this beard wax, and I was trimming my beard and I messed it up and I ended up just shaving off the whole beard. And so I waited for the beard to get some length, and so I've got enough length, I think, at least in the goatee area, in this product. I've tried it and it works in terms of helping the beard here. It's long enough here, not so much on the sides. This is the beard wax here. And this beard wax is by Honest Amish. I've talked about Honest Amish before. I've got actually another product. This is their beard balm, which I really like. I actually bought another beard wax prior to this, and I bought this well before I bought the one that I'm talking about today. Never used it, never did a video. The reason why I didn't use it is because this is a version that is dark in color and has a gritty texture to it. So I wanted to show you the other beard wax that I bought. This is the beard wax, and as you can see, it's very dark. You can't see and you can't tell, at least I don't think, that it has a very gritty texture. And I made a mistake ordering this. So yeah, I have this other beard wax. Probably won't ever use it. But this is the beard wax that I bought from TJ Maxx for $7.99. This is not a video where I do a before and after, where I show you my beard without product and then with product in it, and specifically with this product in it, so that you can see how the beard product is effective or not, whatever. It's nothing like that. So let me just let you know that. And what this is about is just my initial observations or impressions about this product. And I want to just share a few things that if you have a beard and you're interested in a beard wax, things that you might find interesting and that you would keep in mind as you're looking for what would work best for you. All right, so the first thing I just wanted to share with you, gentlemen, is that this beard wax has a very, very firm consistency, and it's hard to scoop out or dig out with your finger the actual beard wax. It's much unlike beard balm, of course, and even more so unlike beard butter, which is even softer and creamier. This has a very firm consistency. The second thing is that there's not much of a scent at all. I barely detect any scent whatsoever. It doesn't mean anything to me one way or the other, because the third observation is that I applied some of this earlier, and I think that it is going to be effective in helping to control the flyaways for me. Now, I still have some and so forth, but it made a difference in terms of that, and I was able to shape the longer hairs on my beard and the goatee area somewhat. But the longer that the hair grows, the more I'll be able to control the beard with the beard wax, I believe. You know, my initial thinking is that this is, having tried many different products and so forth, I'll still use the beard butter and the beard wax, a beard balm, but I think that in this stage of beard growth, it can be very effective. And in the stage where it's much longer, it could be effective, of course, as I mentioned, but in this stage, it can be effective because it's just where some of the hairs are getting just long enough. The other hairs are short, and those other hairs are protruding out, they're jetting out, and you want to control them. And I don't want to make the mistake that I've made many times before, where I start trimming those. Next thing you know, I'm trimming my beard, and like I said earlier, I have to shave off my whole damn beard. I think this is going to be very useful to me, and it has a slight yellowish tinge to it. Won't matter if you have a brown or a black beard, but if you have a white beard like me, maybe it won't matter to you. Maybe you'll detect something. When I was putting it in, I thought I saw a slight yellow hue, slight yellow, excuse the siren, tinge to my beard. I don't know if that's the right way of describing it, but a little yellow coloration. But then as I looked and looked again, I really didn't see it. I don't know if it was never there or if it melted in such a, I don't know. But in my opinion, if you have a white beard or gray beard, silver beard, whatever you have, in terms of that spectrum from white, gray, whatever, you understand what I'm saying. I don't think there will be an appreciable difference, but that's just my thinking. And another thing, gents, that I point out is that it's not going to be very oily or very greasy, and it's not going to have, in my opinion, a moisturizing effect. I haven't shampooed or conditioned my beard. I haven't put any product. This is just putting it in without anything. I haven't primed it, I haven't used any oil. It's dry. And again, this is not a video where you'll be able to see any appreciable difference between the before and after. But I can tell you that it feels great putting this on, that I feel a difference in my beard, and that at least to me, I like the difference that I see. And so that leads to the next observation or impression. It's my thinking that, this is something that one would use along with other products. Because this, obviously, it's not going to moisturize and condition your beard. This is formulated and used to, again, help control, help shape, help manage the beard. All right, folks, thank you so much for watching the video. Hopefully you found it interesting, helpful, and if you have this product or if you're interested in getting it, if you have any thoughts relating to this beard wax or another beard wax, go ahead, drop a comment, share your thoughts so that I and others that visit the channel can see what you think about this beard wax or others, or what your thoughts are about beard balm, beard cream, beard butter versus beard wax, that kind of stuff. Thank you very much for watching this video.